Hello, welcome to Learn English and Practice. Today we will practice with school for beginner English learners. Listen, speak, and practice. Keywords: elementary school, middle school, high school, community college, college, school bus, cafeteria, gym. Listen. Do you go to school? No, I do not go to school. Okay. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Practice. Me first, then you. Do you go to school? That's great. I want to go to school too. You, then me. Yes, I go to school. Yes, I love it. Practice. Do you go to school? Pause the video and practice. Listen. What is your favorite part of school? I enjoy math class. Really? I hate math class. What is your favorite part of school? My favorite part of school is gym class. Practice. Me first, then you. What is your favorite part of school? Me too, but it isn't my favorite. I enjoy history class. You, then me. I love science class. What is your favorite part of school? You try. Pause the video and practice. What is your favorite part of school? Listen. Do you like school? Yes, I like school. Why? I love to learn. That is a great reason. Me first, then you. Do you like school? Why? I disagree. I love school. You, then me. No, I do not like school. School is boring. Practice. Do you like school? Pause the video and practice. Challenge time. Do you go to school? What is your favorite part of school? Do you like school? Pause and practice. Good. There are other beginner lessons on this channel and intermediate lessons on this topic. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.